Guys, DJ here, and in this video, I'm not feeling too well, that I am just, okay, you guys already know what I'm about to do. Alright, so in this video, I'm going to teach you guys how to cough up cards. So this is what it looks like. That's what it mainly looks like. So now, let me do it again, and I'll show you guys how to do it. So yeah, that's mainly it. It's that easy. So, get the thing out of the way. So, you put the cards in the palm of your hand, alright? Then you put half of your hand in your mouth, and then you mainly slide down, taking your other hand and just taking them out. So, it looks something like this. So, you put it half inside your mouth and slide down. So that's mainly it. It's not that hard. It just takes time to practice a little to mainly make it look like this. Yeah, like I said, it takes practice, guys. And you can really do a lot of tricks with cards. For example, may do another card trick if it works. Might take time for practice for me. I don't think I can do it. Yeah, it makes a card like appear out of nowhere. So yeah, that's mainly how you cough up cards. Looks like this. And it won't have to take much time to practice. Like I got it on my second try. And it is pretty easy for me. I mean, on my first try it looked like this. And I got it wrong, so I decided to put half of the card in my mouth, and I just slided it down to make it look like it, and I got it. So this is what it looked like on my second try. So let me pause it and make it come back to the other video. So let me pause it and it'll come back to the other video. Alright, so in this video, I'm going to try to cup up these cards. So I wonder what it's going to look like. So let's try it. Oh, I didn't get it right. My bad. Let's try it again. I did it! Yeah! Oh my god, that's a great victory for me. I'm going to do it again. Wow. That's awesome. Man, I should end this video. Yeah, that's what it looked like. Oh my god. It was not such a great, my first time, it just looked like this. And then my second time, it just looked like perfect. Well, I got into it because I saw Smoothini from America's Got Talent. If you don't know him, I'll put the link in the description below. And he's a cool guy. He's really awesome. I'll put his channel in the link description below. So, yeah, you can just mainly do anything you want with this throw-up trip. You can trick your friends with it. You can go to school with it. This is what I'm going to do when I go back to school. It's going to be awesome. Oh, I don't feel so good. Yeah, but I'm going to end this video. So I'll see you guys in the next episode. See ya.